All right, you will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
I spend more than time on jewelry and makeup. I was going into the mall and I really like the jewelry and makeup. I spend more than a lot of time. Can never care about my money. I always spend it on the things that I love to buy.
Can you speak closer to the mic, please? Mic thoda aage kar le. Yeah.
Sometimes I don't need the things very much, but just because I like to purchase. So sometimes I was spend more than time, money than expected. I think jewelry and makeup is the favorite things to girl.
Carry on. You should speak more.
And I never expected this thing, but I always doing makeup and buy jewelry, wearing jewelry. So
Okay, number one, you need to overcome your confusion. Try to be more confident. Okay, number two, you are lacking ideas because you finished at 45 seconds and then I said carry on, speak some more, and then you spoke. And try to speak loud and clear, right? Not very dim voice. Try to speak loudly and clearly. Overcome the pauses, and you should have more ideas. What you did, you were going on with the same idea time and again. Come up with a variety of ideas. That'll be better. Okay, so this is the first time. Gradually you're going to be all right with it. So try to speak more, try to speak loudly and clearly, and come up with a variety of ideas and be confident. Look at me, be confident. Okay, yes, thank you. So looking at your overall performance at present, I'll give you 5 band. Thank you.